Hi, this is Annie, and now I'm presenting the religion of Shinto. So the beginning of Shinto is different from the other religions because it has no single founder. It is a religion that combines elements from similar East Asian religions such as Buddhism, Taoism, and Confucianism. At the 7th century, Shinto became to be recognized by people in Japan as the distinction of other East Asian religions, especially Buddhism, and now it's one of the two most practiced religions in Japan. Around 300 AD to 530 AD, Buddhism was largely influenced and practiced by Japan, but later on stories and myths about the kami began to overshadow Buddhism. Around the 17th century, the Japanese medieval time, people pray for good fortune to harvest and all other things that they expect because of all the gods in Shintoism represented different things. So people built shrines from the kami to worship and pray to. Shinto is an optimistic faith, as humans are thought to be fundamentally good and evil is believed to be caused by evil spirits. Shintoists believe that kami is all around them, whether living or dead, whether organic or inorganic. They also believe that all natural disasters are kinds of Shinto. Temple built for the kami is often called jinja, with its tradition red paint and pointed angles on the front gate. Here are some quotes from the sacred texts of Shinto. Shinto does not have a specific holy book, rather they have many. So the Kojiki is the records of ancient matters, and the Nihonji is the chronicles of Japan. These books are compilations of ancient myth and traditional teachings that had previously been passed down orally. From the Experiencing the World Religions book, I picked two of the motifs that matched with Shinto. First is human attitude toward nature. So, according to the book, nature is considered to be sacred and needs no alteration in some of the religion. So in Shinto, the natural and social environments are interrelated. It is commonly said that man is kami's children. This means that people are given life by kami and that your nature is therefore sacred. Second, the purpose of human. According to the book, a human being is a small part of the natural universe, and the purpose of Shinto is to keep away evil spirits by purification, prayers, and offerings to the kami, and other purpose is to maintain the pure and natural state of existence. From the second pattern, I think Shinto is sacramental orientation. The book explained sacramental orientation that emphasizes carrying out rituals and ceremonies regularly and correctly as the path to salvation. So, for Shinto, purification is a major practice, and they have major festivals such as Spring Festival, Autumn Festival, and etc. The third pattern is about gender of religions. So women in Shinto have long been described as Maiko, or children of God. Male god is associated with the moon, and the Amaterasu is the premier Shinto divinity, which is associated with the sun. So the difference between Shinto and Christianity is that Shinto believers believe in multiple gods, but Christian only believe in the only one true God. Shinto has no known founder, but Christianity does. And Christians use the Bible as their guidance, but Shintoists has none. They have a lot of holy books. And here are the citations that we used for our research. Thank you.